It's a new day, new year. Hey, hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got some packages. Let's crack them open. These first ones of the year. Let's get it. All right, so we are back in, and let's chop into these boxes and see what we got here. Got my knife. Oh man, I forgot my tester strips, but I'll get them in a minute. Okay, this one. Let's see. Get in there. Hey, I can't get in there. Okay. Having a hard time getting in there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, we almost cut the paper. Actually, I think I did. This one is portrait. Right? Abstract portrait. And this is supposed to be a clone of something. I remember that's one of the reasons why I picked it up, because it's supposed to be a clone of something. So, all right, get the box out of there. And then this next one is just wrapped in a plastic bag. So hopefully it wasn't damaged in transit. Let's see. This is just cut into it. Oh boy. It is bubble wrap though. It is bubble around it. Oh, okay. This is Habik. I was interested in this one. The bottle is bounced around in there a lot. I was interested in this because this is supposed to be a clone also. This is supposed to be a clone of the Le Mans Essence de Parfum. I had the fragrance upstairs, so I wanted to get this to actually test it. I think I mentioned it in another video recently, but yeah. So actually, while I'm here, let's go ahead and chop into this one first. The other one, the portrait, is supposed to be a clone of something. I can't remember what it is. Okay, this is a very interesting box. Well, I think it is coming up how it is. This is a very bright purple box with silver accents, and this purple section is like a felt kind of vibe. It's not. It's kind of weird, a little bit weird. It has a almost like a fur touch to it. Okay, let's see. But for the most part, it's pretty much basic box. Oh, they have all the information on the back there. Bottom has the QR code. Scanner code. And the sides have the same name on the sides, on three sides. The top has the top symbol and more of the fur stuff. Let's see. Oh, okay. The inside of the box is kind of basic. Look at that. It wasn't going to be sitting secure in that box with it like that. Okay. So here's the bottle. This top is kind of heavy. The bottle. There's the name right there on the front. Now this is a purple bottle. Almost looked like something a vampire will wear or something, or have sitting on the dresser. But it's a purple bottle it feels like this is metal, but I think it's plastic wrapped around it. Or maybe it is. I can't tell if this is plastic or metal or not. But this top feels substantial. I think this is metal. So let's see. Where's the sprayer? Okay, here's the sprayer. Oh, okay. It's it's close in the air. That initial smell that I caught, that smelled like it, but in the back part of it, I catch a stronger patchouli kind of vibe to it. Not sure if that's one of the notes. Let me get test messing up. Let me get my tester strips. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna get the other bottle so we can test it out too. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back in. So let's go ahead and try this here. This one. See what this smells like on the strip. Okay, it's more airy on the strip. It smells different on the strip than when I smelled in the air. Let me see. And here's the original with its cloning. If it smells close to it. No, the opening is different. Even on the paper, it's different. But you have to put these on the skin. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Let's see. Okay, let's go with this one. It's not a full-fledged comparison, but I'm just going to try to do it real quick. One spray on that one. On this one, the Habik on my left hand, and then on my right hand, I'll go with the original. Ooh, one thing I can say, the spray on the original is a lot better. Yeah, see, I smell that. It's almost like candy vibe. Okay, on skin, no. Smells good. It smells good. But the openings, no, they're nowhere near each other. They both are dark fragrances that you can wear in the fall and maybe the winter time, maybe in the evenings in the like spring and stuff like that. They kind of, you probably would wear them at the same time, but yeah, this one is becoming a little bit powdery. And this one's becoming like a little dirty. Like this one is like a white powder, and this is kind of coming off like a dark powder. But I'm gonna let them dry down and see how it is. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the next one. The next one is Abstract Portrait, and this is supposed to be one of a clone of Marc-Antoine, the guy that made Ganymede. I think it's supposed to be a clone of Enclave. I think that's the name of it, but we'll check it out in a little bit. All right, so this box is a lot nicer. This is a very substantial box. It feels like it's maybe cardboard or maybe wood, maybe. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So the front has this reflective plate on it that's metallic, and well, I think it's plastic actually. And then it has some writing on the back. And then the box opens up like that. Pretty nice. There's a pull tab here. I'm not sure why. Oh, so this comes out of the box. It's a box inside of a box inside of a box. So there's the bottom of the box, and then this sits in here. I get it now. Portrait. So it's sitting in here kind of like a portrait. Okay, I get it. Okay, let's see if I can get it out of here though. Let's sit in there pretty nicely and snug. That's a nice cutout coffin. Let's see what this smells like now. I don't know what the original smells like, and I don't know what to expect with this fragrance. I saw it and I saw that it was a clone. I was like, okay, I'll pick it up. Let's see. Look at this bottle. It's kind of different. The red and black. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. A matted black. Let's see. Let's top come off. Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay. And look, there's a hole in the top. I guess you could have, I maybe could have sprayed it without taking the top off, but we find all this out together. Let's see. Oh, this is kind of nice. Kind of has like an ashy kind of vibe to it, but a nice ashy. Almost, it smells like it has like tea, maybe. Tea and something green, but not a bright green, but more of like a like sitting in the background kind of green. Can I spray? Oh yeah, I could spray that with the with the top on. I just did it by accident. But yeah, this is kind of nice. I think I want to try that on skin. Let's see if I can get a little bit more skin. Yeah, that actually smells pretty nice. Ooh, okay, this is nice. This is nice. It's a different kind of fragrance though. This is not something that you just run out and blind buy. I blind bought it, but I wouldn't advise anybody else to just run out and blind buy it. This is one of those fragrances that is going to be for a certain person. It's not going to be for the masses. It's not like one of those fragrances that you put on and you walk around and you like get a whole bunch of attention. People that are into fragrance notes and fragrances, they may smell it and be like, ooh, that smells interesting. And they may engage with you because of the difference in the smell. But it smells like something else. It smells like another fragrance that I've smelled before. Like it kind of comes off like one of those Tom Ford fragrances that's a little weird. Like not that I'm saying that's what it is. I think that's what it is. Effin' Fabulous. It kind of reminds me, Effin' Fabulous is not really one of those fragrances that's like a mass appealing fragrance. It's one of those fragrances that if you're into fragrances, you probably would get it. But it actually kind of has some of that vibe to it. Actually, I want to look this one up. The other one, we kind of know what that. Actually, it's getting closer now. It's getting closer to the original. The Habik is getting closer. Let's see if I can find this abstract. Just want to check out the notes real quick. Incense, rhubarb. Okay. Vetiver, tonka bean, rose, leather, amber, sandalwood, and cedar. Okay. I'm picking up something else. I'm picking up something else that's kind of like a greenish vibe. Maybe it's the rhubarb, but usually the rhubarb has a different kind of vibe to it. Maybe it's more of like instead of the flower, maybe it's the green part. I don't know. But I like it. It's not something that you need to run out and buy. If you can, sample it first. It's nice. I like it. But I'm going to have to give it a full wear to see how much I like it. So, all right. That's all I got for you today. This is Portrait Abstract, and this one is Habik. And that one is supposed to be a clone of this one here. Le Mans Essence de Parfum. And those are the two I just got. First ones of the year. All right. That's all I got for you today. Just wanted to run through those fragrances, cracking them open, sharing with you guys. Let you see what I thought about them. And I am out of here. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.